Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Hey.
this is my wife.
No, I'm not your wife yet. Mm. May mahal so sweet ha.
Almost.
Almost? Uh-huh. May punggod ko guys. Oh my god. Ay, may ginapira magatas ko stop may punggod ko. Right? Bald. Pogi naman. Guwapo. Guwapo.
Po.
Guwapo.
Guapa?
Ikaw, guwapo.
Guapa.
Tapos kami ka nakatakat ganyan kakapoy. Kakapoy daw yun na yung wala gali.
What?
No, I said we were just working earlier. Very tired.
Very tight?
No, just kidding.
It's be something like 5 kilometers.
5
This way
kilometers?
and back.
Oh,
And it's 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. How did you come?
I'm kidding. 10 kilometers to your home.
So my home, yes. Hello. Good night. Tapos amon process. We're going to marry soon. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, yay, yay. Hopefully. And then where we're gonna go next after wedding?
What next chapter?
Yeah, where we're gonna go after wedding?
Wedding?
Yeah.
Siargao?
Uh-huh.
We can swim on the surfing.
Surfing and then
And then maybe later swim on the kayak. On this
Club Tara.
small island.
Yeah, Club Tara.
Blab Tara.
Club. Tara.
Club Tara.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
Club Tara.
And then what's your plan? I want the jellyfish sanctuary and the cave.
Cave? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I want very much
And
see this cave.
for me, I want to experience the surfing. Yay!
I hope the weather is be good.
And then the weather's good.
For now, here also is good.
Yeah.
Only 1 hour is raining on the day.
Yes. And then
Later, super hot.
super hot, right? Super hot.
Very good. We have sun protect.
Yeah, we
Because
have
I'm being look like a chicken.
chicken.
Or dry chicken.
Mama said when we were walking in the forest, she said that you look like a Filipino because your skin getting more Filipino.
Brown?
Yeah, brown. You're brown. Hi, welcome Filipino. We're not Polish anymore because Mama said you're a Polish guy. My nail's ugly.
Mine is ugly.
No, my nail. Not your nose.
I want this nose.
This is standard within the Philippines. Pointed nose.
Like
Look at
Gargamel
mine.
on Smurf.
No, that's not me. Look at mine. There's no pointing.
It's good.
Flat nose. Bye, guys.
Did you watching for what you see your nose?
No, I can see.
And I'm see.
Little. This one only.
Uh,
And mouth too.
okay.
Good night. We're going to rest na guys. Okay, we are
Go hotel.
no, we just tired
And
from having a seminar. Yeah, processing the papers of the marriage license.
Super seminar.
Yes, super seminar of the experience.
Super seminar.
for seminar for
I
counseling,
don't expect
family
that
planning.
they be talking about conception.
Mm-hmm. It's my first time also. And it was fun, guys.
Very fun.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
enjoying. Bye bye. See you on our wedding video. Hopefully, bye. Bye, say bye.